Hi guys, welcome back with the third no, it's the fourth, the last Sudoku. Yes, the last Sudoku in this additional of yesterday's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, December the 24th, 2020. So today, on Christmas Day, Merry Christmas, by the way. I have solved the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Tectonic I have solved here with 4 stars. Binary, 2 binaries I have solved. So the last one will be a tectonic. Yes, it's a tectonic one. Tectonic. Alright. And this will be number 2066. And guys, if you have not tried a tectonic, try a tectonic and you will be addicted. Yes, I like tectonics. So try one tectonic because all those Sudokus are almost similar. Yes. Alright. So let's get started with this baby. Yes. Can we see the single box? I do not see a single box here. Single box is always a 1. Then the dual box. I see here a dual box. The dual box contains the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, so automatically this will be a 2. Do we have more? I see here also a dual box 1 and 2. I do not know in which order, so I mark those two boxes. I see here this area with the 1. That means these 4 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Triple box 1, 2, and 3. We have a 1 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We see there 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 5. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2 or 5. Otherwise I cannot fill any 2 or 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 2. Those 2 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be the 2, and that box should be the 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Those two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box cannot be a 2 or 1 because I need a 2 and a 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 cannot be here. That's not the solution. The solution is the 2 and there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Quadra box 1, 2, 3, and the 4. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Do not know in which order. These 2 boxes 1, 2, 5. So 3 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so and that box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 4. Yeah, 5 and the 4. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 3 and this should be the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These are reserved for the 3 and the 4. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so this should be a 2, and this should be a 1. Alright, let's continue. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be 1, and this box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1. Only 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Wow, the dual box, I didn't notice this 1 and a 2, of course. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this can be a 2 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left, 1, 2, and 3. The 4 and the 5 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then how about these 2 boxes? Can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. And the 1 is missing. Yes. 1 cannot be here because we have a 1 there. 1 cannot be there. We have a 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. So this box should be a 5. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. So the 3, 4, and the 1 are left. 3, 4, and the 1. 3, 4, and the 1. Yeah. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. Should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the 4. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 4. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be a 5, so definitely a 4. Alright, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 4. Finish in 40 minutes exactly. Yes, I like this Tectonic with a 1 star. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye bye for now. See you soon. Probably tomorrow.